Hello guys, welcome to Amith.Thoughts. In this video, we will see how we can easily create a database in MySQL. Let's start. On search box CMD and click open. On typing MySQL version and press enter. MySQL version 8.046 installation and continue type MySQL space -u space root space -p, press enter. Password enter and press enter. On type show space database, show databases and semicolon and press enter. Not a database, create new database, create database and space database name Amith.DB, semicolon and press enter. So databases and press enter. It Amith database create. Use Amith.DB, semicolon and press enter. Hello guys, in this video how we can easily create a new database in MySQL. That's very easy. You have to use the create database command from, and thank you for watching. Hello guys, welcome to Amith.Thoughts. In this video I will see how we can easily create a table in MySQL. Let's start. First MySQL type space -v space root space -v, press enter. Password enter, press enter. So databases, not a database, create a database Amith.DB and create a Amith.DB and use Amith.DB and next typing create table employee bracket open and press enter. Employee ID int space bracket open 30 bracket close and comma and press enter. Employee name space varchar space bracket open 30 bracket close comma, press enter. Employee age space int space bracket open 30 bracket close comma, press enter. Employee department varchar space bracket open 30 bracket close no comma and press enter, bracket close semicolon and press enter. Des employee comma and press enter. Table create employee ID, employee name, employee age, employee department. Hello guys, welcome to Amith.Thoughts. In this video I will see how we can easily insert the values employee ID, employee name, employee age, employee department. Insert into employee values, bracket open, G, employee name 01, comma, employee name, single quotation, Amith, single quotation close and comma, and employee is 18, comma, employee department, single quotation, GPT, quotation close, bracket close, semicolon, press enter. Insert the values employee ID 1, employee ID 1, employee name Amith, employee age 18, employee department GPT, and press enter. Select star from table name employee and press enter. Insert the one column.
Insert into employee values, bracket open, 02, comma, single quotation, employee name, Sharanu, single quotation close, comma, employee age 20, comma, single quotation open, IT, single quotation close, bracket close, semicolon, and press enter. Second column and 3 column only changes 03, name change, Ambu, age 21, marketing, and press enter. 3 column and same in changes 04, name, age, marketing same, and press enter and display the table. Insert the values all and select star from employee table name, semicolon, press enter. Insert the 4 values Amith, employee ID 01, employee name Amith, employee age 80, employee department GPT, second column, third column, fourth column.